Under the global energy crisis, this smokeless and energy-saving wood stove is hot in the market. Do you want to cooperate with us in sales? At present, this product has become a hot item in Europe and America, a must-have for courtyard gatherings in the Middle East market, and the preferred cooking equipment for Southeast Asian customers. The African market has a strong demand for such a hot product that is smokeless, energy-saving, and can be used in multiple scenarios and under harsh conditions. It can control the firepower and is suitable for various pots. Don't you want to join our agency team? Contact us now to enjoy exclusive regional agency.